Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about the today's technical analysis that belongs to 28th of April 2020. So guys, as you know that I am providing signals on a daily basis to my subscribers who are subscribed to the signal service. So let me talk about the signals that we have given to the subscribers today. So getting started with Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, you can see that I have given the bullish trend on Great Britain Pound USD from 1 to 4493. And 127,332 was the target price. And guys, you can see throughout the day the market starts to go up, into the upward direction, and then later on in the second session of the day market has get a drop. But overall guys, if you have traded these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 candles, then you must be on profit on Great Britain Pound USD. So those subscribers who have taken the buy trades today after the London session, they must be in very good profits. At next, we have seen a strong momentum today on New Zealand USD, and that what 200forexpips.com has predicted. The bullish trend in the morning from 060315 and 062202 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market has exactly went into the upward direction. So I congratulate my all traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with profits. And let me show you here about the Graham, who is subscribed to my signal service. He also have shown me the today's results. Like till that time that when I was talking to him, look, that was the New Zealand USD buy trade from his side and USDCHF sell, and we are coming to the USDCHF later on. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF, which Graham has also caught, and let me show you the signal. I have supplied the bearish signal on USDCHF from 097687 and 097225 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on USDCHF already, and it hit the target price with no problem. So that's what Graham has also taken the trade on that pair, and you can see he has got 16.31 and 20 on the trade by taking the two trades on this pair. So guys, that's why I say my signals are based on full day trading. But let's say if you have taken a sell position after this candle close that was closed below the entry line, then that was the best chance to enter in the market, and look how swiftly the market has went down. At next, we are going to talk about USDJPY. USDJPY has shown us the weaker momentum today, and I have predicted the downward trend on USDJPY with a bearish signal from 107034 and 105323 was the target price. However guys, you can see a big drop here, and the market went up to this level, and later on the market bounced back. So if you have taken the profits up to here, then guys, this is too much already for taking the profit. So if you have taken the benefit from it, then you must be ended in a good profit. Okay guys, one trade is just onto the way, and let me talk about it. That is Great Britain Pound JPY, which still have a bearish expectation. I have supplied the bearish signal from 132961 that already broke, and you can see the market is going down from last 2 hours. And guys, if it continues to go down like this, then it can reach up to 129604. So overall, I am bearish on Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, this is all about the technical analysis. Moreover, you can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And look what happened with USDCHF today. The market was into the top red boundary and it was getting the rejection. That's why the market went down. So guys, this is how you can use the trading system. And even if you look at the scalper has also pointed you with a sell signal in the form of red arrow, and the market has turned down. So guys, if you are willing to get these trading indicators, if you are willing to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, and guys, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to join the Telegram channel, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report, that how I come to know in the morning that Great Britain Pound JPY is going to be bearish, USDCHF is going to bearish. This is based on a simple trick, and if you want to learn that trick, then you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. And guys, make sure that you use this email for sending your inquiries. And moreover guys, I appreciate that if you like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.